Hey there, this is Veena from Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel. Today we are making something perfect for the summertime, super tasty mango yogurt ice cream. In this recipe, instead of milk cream, we'll be using a common kitchen ingredient, yogurt. In the United States and elsewhere, it's also called frozen yogurt. But no matter what you call it, it has a wonderful flavor and texture. Needing just 4 main ingredients and no ice cream machine, making this homemade ice cream by hand is a breeze. So why wait? Let's start making some delicious mango yogurt ice cream right away at Patter Cake. I told you, it's an easy peasy recipe. If you want to enjoy the ice cream within just around 3 hours, transfer the open filled container to the freezer without fixing the lid on it. The ice cream will be smooth but will have a slightly softer texture. Otherwise, cover the ice cream with cling film or a sheet of plastic like this, pushing it down till it touches the ice cream. Reducing the amount of air coming in contact with the ice cream in this way will prevent ice crystals from forming on its surface. We'll now keep this in the freezer for 9 to 10 hours or overnight. Here's our mango yogurt ice cream. Ready to dig into and enjoy. Soft and delicious. In fact, as far as mango ice creams go, for me, this one tops them all. So be sure to make this mango yogurt ice cream in your own kitchen soon. And then, yes, do share the recipe with others.